9 raised to power s is equal to s raised to power 6. Hello, how to solve for s from this given nice math problem? Solution. 9 raised to power s is equal to s raised to power 6. Now let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 1 over s. 9 raised to power s to the power of 1 over x is equal to s raised to power 6 to the power of 1 over x. If you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to power n m. Then here is 9 raised to power x over s is equal to s raised to power 6 over x. This will cancel this. S raised to power 6 over s is equal to 9. Then let's multiply the exponent of both sides again by 1 over 6. Here is s raised to power 6 over s to the power of 1 over 6 is equal to 9 raised to power 1 over 6. This will cancel this. We have s raised to power 1 over s is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square to the power of 1 over 6. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. This is s raised to power 1 over s is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 3. Therefore, if you compare this, the base is equal to 3 and exponent is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, our answer is s is equal to 3. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, if we have 9 raised to power s is equal to s raised to power 6, then when s is 3, we have 9 raised to power 3 must be equal to 3 raised to power 6. Now 9 raised to power 3 is 729 is equal to 3 raised to power 6 is 729, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.